Forklift diagnosis time. It's an old, I think it's a cat. It's a cat? It's a cat. With Continental 4-cylinder that was knocking and making a hell of a lot of racket. And I don't think I found the problem for the knocking. Probably is the bottom end now that I'm looking at it here. So you got two valves that are open. Basically what was happening, it wouldn't run with the shit anymore, and it was just constant back pressure coming through carburetor when I'd crank her over. So I thought maybe stuck valves. So I popped the head off and I see two valves open, thinking, hey, yeah, that's what it is. But then I did this, maybe it was just stuck, I don't know, but let's muck shit up. No, that's got some movement to it. Well, that's got some movement to it. So maybe they aren't stuck. Oh, but looky here. That's a blown head gasket. And that's going to be feeding pressure between the cylinders